Hi, I'm Eddie the bartender with liquorexam.com and bartender-themed, here to demonstrate how to make a Lynchburg lemonade. First, take your glass. You can use a Collins glass. I'll use a bucket. You can use maybe a pint sometimes, but I'm in my home bar, so I'm going to use the bucket and a highball. And it's 1.25 ounces of whiskey. I should use Jack Daniels because I don't have any. We're going to use Jim Beam, but it's called Lynchburg Lemonade because it's named after where Jack Daniels is made, Lynchburg, Tennessee. So we're not really doing it justice, but this is what we have to work with. So we'll do 1.25 ounces of Jim Beam and 3/4 ounce of triple sec. All right, 1.25 ounces whiskey, 3/4 ounce triple sec, sweet and sour, and a splash of 7-Up. So you've got the whiskey, the sour, the citrus all combined together, make a great drink. You garnish it with the lemon. I'll squeeze it in. And if you like, you can also put in a cherry. Grab a couple straws. And there you have it, a Lynchburg lemonade. Again, I'm Eddie the bartender with liquorexam.com and bartender-themed. If you're interested in apparel like what I'm wearing, head over to bartender-themed. We carry a full line of hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, tank tops, and hats. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.